Today we announce our winner of the Gatorland gift card. Of course, I opened my mouth before checking, but thanks to the wonderful staff at Gatorland, everything has worked its way out. See, Gatorland actually no longer has a gift card program. However, the staff was able to provide me with a gift card from a previous program, and yes, it's good. There is one catch. The gift cards weren't available for $25. But here's the deal. We got a $20 gift card, good for admission or the zipline run. Now, a one-day entrance to Gatorland is $29.99, so to make up for my mistake, we'll also provide the winner with the other $9.99 they need to get in. So, let's get on with it. But first, it's
Mold-A-Rama Time!
For those of you in the know, those that watched my two previous Gatorland videos, Gatorland has not one, but two Mold-A-Rama machines. We had previously had difficulties with the machines not taking cards, so Thursday we returned with a fistful of dollar bills. Both machines accepted the cash, and we were able to get the rare white alligator and the gator wrestler models. The problem with Mold-A-Ramas in sunny places is that they're covered with this glary domey thing that makes it difficult to video, even with my glare reducing lens that I got for free one time. So, the video here is really a composite of two machines. It was glary at both machines since they're only a couple of hundred yards apart, but I did what I could. So here's the result. Two perfect Mold-A-Rama models to add to my collection of, well, 0 previous models. But they'll look good in the new studio, though. Thanks for watching this first episode of
Mold-A-Rama Time!
Well, anyway, let's get down to business and select the winner of the definitely not a contest but a legal YouTube sweepstakes. I've taken the names from all the comments on both Gatorland reopening videos, and along with the names of our patrons who are automatically enrolled, we placed them in a hat. Now Gene's going to reach into the hat and pick a winner.
And the winner is Anna Weber, one of our Patreon supporters. Congratulations, Anna.
Yeah, congratulations, Anna, and I'll be contacting you to get your mailing address. And I'll send out your gift card and $9.99 as soon as possible. Thanks to every one of you who've watched these videos. I really do appreciate you watching and commenting on them. It helps me know I'm on the right track. Also, if you'd like this video, why not give it a big thumbs up? Especially if you'd like to see more
Mold-A-Rama Time!
And just like Anna, you can help make more of these videos by becoming a member of our Patreon team. Just head over to patreon.com/AsBobSeesIt. For as little as $1 a month, you can help us produce more of these videos. Now, I try to post a new video every week. It's been hard during the Rona scare, but if you want to see more of this kind of video, why not subscribe? I mean, it's free. Just click on that red subscribe button, and remember, when you do subscribe, to also hit that notification bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.